Claude Cowork just got an insane update that makes it 10 times more powerful than before. We are talking about official plugins, custom plugin creation, and a feature that literally lets you build an entire AI workforce, all running on Opus 4.6, Anthropic's most advanced model with a million token context window, better reasoning, and significantly higher quality outputs. But here's the thing, most people are still using it like a basic chatbot, and they are actually missing out on automating hours of work every single day. You can now install plugins that give Claude specialized skills connected to your entire workflow, and honestly, it's getting scary good. Plus, I'll show you 3 Cowork features that I personally use daily, and trust me, these are giving me an unfair advantage over everyone else. And by the way, if you want access to the full plugin library, advanced prompts, and weekly workflow breakdowns, then I've put everything inside our free school community. The link is in the description below, but right now, let's hop over to the PC. So we are now over to the PC, and the first massive update is official plugins from Anthropic. So think of plugins as pre-built toolkits that adapt Claude to match exactly how you work in your industry, okay? So inside each plugin, you get everything, okay? That is specialized skills, workflow connectors, quick commands, and even AI sub-agents. All of them are just bundled together. They've launched plugins across major business functions, such as marketing, sales, finance, customer support, legal, productivity, pretty much everything except for coding. So let me show you what I mean instead of just talking about it, okay? So let me show you guys this. Okay, so if you open up Claude Cowork on your desktop app, then you'll see the plugins button in the sidebar, okay? So click on that, and then you'll see the official plugins from Anthropic, okay? So I'm going to click on the marketing plugin, and then I'm going to hit install, okay? And now it's added to my workspace. So if I click on manage, then I can see all of the skills and commands that come with it, and it handles everything from keeping your brand consistent to pulling content ideas, optimizing for SEO, mapping out full campaigns, basically your entire marketing toolkit. So now here's where it all gets so powerful. Each plugin gives you / commands. So these are quick shortcuts that actually trigger specific workflows. So I want you to watch this, okay? So I'm going to give Claude some of my existing content, and then I'm going to tell it, analyze this and repurpose it into multiple formats, okay? So now Claude analyzes the files, it understands the context, and now I can actually use the real commands. So I'll type in draft-content, okay? And Claude then generates platform-specific content, such as blog posts, social media, email newsletters, and it's actually pulling from the transcript, and it's adapting the tone, and it's creating everything in just a matter of seconds. So I can also type in SEO-audit, and it runs a full SEO analysis, keyword research, on-page checks, content gaps, competitor comparison. And if I want to go the other route, I can even type in campaign-plan, and then it maps out an entire marketing campaign, the objectives, the channel strategy, and even success metrics if I want. And here's the best part, you can actually customize these plugins. So if you want Claude to match your specific brand voice, then just click customize and then tell it about your brand, and then it actually adapts the entire plugin to match your style. So commands like draft-content or brand-review will automatically apply your brand standard without you prompting each time. And I mean, take a look at this. I just saved myself 2 hours of work in less than 3 minutes. That's 2 hours that I can spend on strategy, creating better content, or actually growing the business instead of being stuck in the weeds of content repurposing. This plugin alone can save you hours every single week. Now let's look at the sales plugin. So I'll click install on this one, and the sales plugin is designed for anyone doing outreach, prospecting, or managing client relationships. But I mean, instead of explaining it, let me show you how it all works. So I'm going to tell Claude, I need to create a cold outreach sequence for SaaS founders who need help with content automation. So watch what happens. Claude actually uses the sales plugin to generate a full outreach sequence. Each message is personalized, each one addressing different pain points, and each one with a clear call to action. Now here are the real commands that you get with this plugin. So type in call-summary, and Claude then processes your calls or transcripts into structured summaries with action items and follow-ups. So you can even type in pipeline-review review, and it analyzes your pipeline health, your flag risks like stale deals, and then it actually gives you a weekly action plan. Or you can even type in forecast, and then it generates weighted sales forecasts with the best likely and worst case scenarios. It's just like the marketing plugin, so you can customize it to match your sales process, your tone, and your offer. So now, imagine that you are doing outreach to 50 prospects. Without this plugin, you are going to be spending hours, okay, maybe even days, crafting personalized emails, tweaking the messaging, trying to get it just right. And with the sales plugin, you are done in 10 minutes. And the quality is actually better because Claude is pulling from proven sales frameworks. That's the difference between working in your business and working on your business. You are not grinding through repetitive tasks anymore. You are now focusing on closing deals and building relationships. And that's where the real money gets made. Okay, and now for the last one, it's the finance plugin. So I'll install this one. And now instead of explaining what it does, let me just do a quick demo. So I'm going to upload a spreadsheet with my monthly business expenses. And I'm going to tell Claude that I wanted to analyze my expenses and create a financial report with insights on where I can cut costs. So Claude then processes the data, it identifies the pattern, and it generates a full report with recommendations. And here are the real commands. So you can type in journal-entry, and Claude prepares fixed asset entries, prepaids, and payroll with proper debit and credits. You can type in reconciliation, and it compares your GL balances to subledger or bank balances, and also identifies reconciling items. Or you can type in income-statement, and it generates an income statement with period-over-period comparison. I mean, you can even run variance-analysis for a full breakdown of what's driving your numbers. And here's what's crazy. Most people avoid looking at their finances because it feels overwhelming. You open the spreadsheet, you see all of those numbers, and your brain just shuts down. But with this plugin, you get a full financial analysis in minutes. And it actually tells you what to do. So there's no more guessing, there's no more spreadsheet anxiety. Just clear insights and actionable recommendations. Okay, so now here's the game changer, the second major update. You can now create your own custom plugins, and it is massive. So the official plugins from Anthropic are great, but they are designed for general use cases. So what if you have a very specific workflow that you do every single week? Maybe you have a process for analyzing competitor content, or you have a unique way of structuring your video scripts, or you have a specific format for client reports. So before, you'd have to re-explain that process to Claude every single time. But now, you can package your entire workflow, the skills, the commands, the instructions, into one custom plugin. And once it's installed, Claude just knows what to do. So let me show you how. The easiest way to create one is to use Claude Code, or you can even ask Claude in Cowork to package a workflow for you. So I'll say, take this content repurposing workflow and turn it into a custom plugin with / commands for extract, titles, and repurpose. Okay? So Claude creates the plugin file, and then I can upload it right back into Cowork. So for example, I created a custom plugin called Content Repurposing System, and it has skills for extracting ideas, generating titles, writing platform-specific content for Twitter, LinkedIn, and Substack, and also pulling quotes from a long-form content. I also added / commands like repurpose and titles, so I can take a specific parts of the workflow instantly. Now, whenever I finish a YouTube video, I drop the transcript into Cowork, I type in repurpose, and Claude actually just handles the rest. It generates 20 plus pieces of content across multiple platforms in literally about 2 minutes. And the best part about this is I can share this plugin with my team or even the people in the community. Link is down below. And I just send them the file and they can install it in a matter of just a few seconds. So instead of everyone building their own workflows from scratch, we can actually share the plugin and we can actually level up together. And this is what I mean by building an entire AI workforce. You're not just using Claude as a chatbot, you are building systems that you can scale. So now that we've already covered everything, let me show you 3 quick features that are already built into Cowork that most people are currently sleeping on, because plugins are powerful, but they are even more powerful when you combine them with these. So, first up, file access in Cowork. So you can give Claude direct access to any folder on your computer, and Claude can read, organize, rename, and also move files around for you. Let me show you, okay? I'm going to give Claude access to my downloads folder, and then I'm going to say organize my downloads folder by file type. And now, take a look at this. So Claude scans everything, it makes a plan, it creates organized subfolders for images, documents, videos, and it sorts everything into the right place, okay? So my entire downloads folder is cleaned up in under a minute. And this goes way beyond just organizing your files. You can point Claude at any folder full of business documents, your ICP, your brand guidelines, your content strategy, and now Claude has that context whenever you ask it to do something. So that's the first thing, and now the second thing is you have connectors. So Cowork can plug directly into the tools that you already use. So if you go to settings, click on connectors, and you'll see built-in integrations for tools like Notion, Slack, Google Calendar, HubSpot, and a lot more. So if your tool isn't listed, then you can add it manually through MCP. That's the Model Context Protocol. And the third thing, you've got browser use. So if Claude doesn't have a direct connection to a tool, then it can just use your browser instead. So I can say research the top 10 trending topics on X about AI automation. And Claude then opens the browser, it navigates through the site, it scrolls through, and it pulls back the information. And the best part about this is that this runs in the background. So while Claude is researching in the browser, you can start a new task in Cowork and you can just keep working. You can keep on building. You are basically running parallel workflows at the same time, and that is going to maximize your workflow at the end of the day. So why does all of this matter? Because the biggest bottleneck for most creators and marketers isn't the ideas, it's actually the execution. So you know what you need to do? You need to repurpose your content, you need to write emails, you need to analyze competitors, you need to create reports. But all of that takes time, a lot of time if we're being honest, okay? And that's where these updates completely change the game. So instead of spending 3 hours repurposing one video into social content, you can spend just 4 minutes. Instead of manually tracking your competitor and looking at their content every single week, you can install a plugin and Claude does it automatically for you. Now, I know this might seem like a lot at first, but here's the thing. You don't have to figure all of this out alone, okay? So I've already built a full plugin library and I've created advanced prompts for the most common workflows. And I'm sharing all of it inside our free school community. The link is in the description below. So join right now. I guarantee you are going to have fun, especially with all the other creators on there. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, and that's it for this one. I will catch you on the next one.